Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to repost on TikTok. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. After once done, just basically find the video that you wanted to repost. Okay, so for example, let's go ahead over to home right here. You swipe, and say, for example, you wanted to save this video. So just go ahead and tap on share. And then you'll be able to find a yellow repost button. All right. So go ahead and tap on it. And once done, tap on OK if this is your first time. And it says here, you reposted. So you can go ahead and go to your profile right here and then go to the repost tab. And here you have it. So the video will be recommended directly into the For You feeds of your mutual followers. And you'll be able to find it right here under the repost tab. If you want to remove it in your repost section, just tap on it and again, tap on share. Now delete repost right here. Go back to your profile, swipe down if needed, and it's gone. That's how you repost on TikTok. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.